everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to play drop game in Blum. So if you also want to play drop game in Blum, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Playing the drop game is very simple. You'll have to catch as many falling items that you can within a time limit. Each item you catch turns into Blum points for your balance. Each game attempts cost 1 game pass. Game passes are your tickets to play. Now in order to play this game, first of all what you have to do is launch Blum through Telegram. All you have to do is open Telegram application. After that, open the chat of Blum. Over there you'll be able to see the option for launch Blum. All you have to do is tap on it and you can see over here Blum will be opened. Right now you're in the home page. All you have to do is scroll down a bit. Here you'll be able to see the option for drop game. You can also see the available game pass over here. Right next to it, you'll be able to see the option for play. All you have to do is tap on it. Now that game will be opened. You'll have to tap on the falling items as much as you can within this time limit. You can see the time limit over here. Make sure not to tap on the bomb. You can see over here 100 points will be deducted. If you tap on the freeze, it will be freeze for a while. Now you can see your rewards over here. You can also invite a friend for a game pass. Every time you invite a friend, you'll receive a game pass. Game passes are your tickets to play. Now at bottom, you'll be able to see the option for play. If you tap on it, you'll be able to play the drop game again. So that is how you play drop game in Blum. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.